Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. We came across Sydney. I've got this Porsche Cayenne that we're taking the actual cam cover off, and the reason why we took it off because the actual there was a massive leak from the actual cam cover gaskets here. If you look inside there, filling up the oil there with the actual hole there with the actual oil and causing the car to misfire. So we're replacing all the actual the gaskets here, and we're doing both sides because this side here is leaking as well. They're both starting to leak, so I'm doing both sides here. This is what I mean. These are the new gaskets, brand new ones, and at the same time we're replacing the actual gasket for here as well. That one there. That's for the solenoid. Yes, I've tested the solenoids. They're both drawing current at 1.11 amps. So at the moment that's good. If you have different current draw, that means one is faulty, then you got to do both, because when one is gone, the other one's going to follow. Alright, but here we are now. Once we finish that, we can finish the whole this side here, and we'll get it all done. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.